Hello, I am back again. I'm going to try to show you how to make a 3-point star candle holder. I'm gonna use two paper rolls in two different colors for making two even triangles. So I'm using 15 centimeters each side measurements, both of them. And then I'm using this glass, which is left over from desert. I bought in one shop, and a tea light. Oops. There you go. So once we have these triangles ready, we are gonna overlap them. You can stick them together if you want. If not, just pack them together. That's because once we start weaving around them, oops, that one is unstuck. Okay, I need to measure that again. Doesn't have to be precise, but if it's not, then your star's gonna be uneven, which doesn't matter, especially for the first time. I haven't done many of them either, so it's not gonna be perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna take this side. And because the bottom one, the white one is at the bottom, I'm gonna start with that. And what we're gonna do, we are going to, oh, I don't need to go around like that, so they go same way. That's it. That's about right. It's a bit fiddly. Okay, so because the white one is at the bottom, start with that. So we need to bend it over to go over to the blue way. Because it's a bit short, I will extend it. It's a bit wide. It's not gonna look nice. That's it. And once you're going to the pointy bit, just go over. Okay. Oh no. Okay. So we're going from this side over to that side. So it's going nicely across your pointy bit, then bend it behind the point at the opposite side, and when you bend it again, it goes to the side we haven't been yet. So this way you go from here, you bend it over, twist around the pointy bit all the way around, and again twist about the pointy bit, extend our roll, there we go. Until we have another triangle above the blue one. So once we have that, peg it, and it should look something like that, like this. And we do the same thing with the other side. You don't have to have them both blue like that. You don't have to have them different color, I mean. You can keep one color. I'm just doing this two-colored one so you can see better way how it's done. So now we do the same just around the blue one. So go, sorry. So go, bend it over. Now go around the point bit, just like that. And follow the next side of the triangle, just like that. Same thing around this one. I'm going to extend my roll. Just bend it over the pointy bit, follow that side, and that's done. And peg it and repeat again with the white one. And you keep doing alternating the triangles until comes to the point you get a star out of it. So it should look about like that, the first two triangles on each side. So the blue one's last. Now we're gonna do the white one again and go around the pointy bit and follow that way. So it's always that way. And again, behind the pointy bit of the star. Nice. Now you're nicely forming your star points here. There you go. There you go, see? Now I got on each side 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That means I finished the triangle with white. And now let's carry on with blue one. We finished here. So we need to bend it. Sorry, it's a bit off camera. A bit too big. So again, we finished about there. We'll bend it over the corner and follow the same thing. Almost 3 on each side again. Once you get to the point you got them done, then again alternate and carry on with the white one. So I get to the point, I done each color 5 times, so it looks more like a star. So I'm gonna finish it off by putting glue on the roll, bend it over and stick it behind here. put the peg on so it can stay like that and it stays secured until the glue dries. So this one is a bit too long, so I'll cut it and do the same. Bend it over, put the glue on, peg. And now we got a star. If it's a bit uneven, you can move it about just like that and make it a bit more the way you like it, because the rolls are not dry yet, so it's not strong yet. So we will, once it gets dry, they will get strong and it's going to be harder to move it about. So once I have my star done, I'm going to make a space here for my glass by pushing it out and putting the glass in. You can fit it nicely, do it while it's still wet so you don't struggle later. Oops. So yeah, it will fit. Excellent. So now I got the star done and we're gonna stick the cardboard at the bottom, so when you lift up your star, when it's all nice and dry, it doesn't fall out through the bottom. So now I will leave it to dry and we'll be done. So once it's dry, you can take it out, and I like to show you how to treat your product when it's dry to make it last longer, and maybe you can use a damp cloth to wipe it with a okay. So now we need a bit of water in a cup or anything you want to use, and then what I'm using is wood adhesive. You have to be like extra fast and dries clear. So I'm gonna mix it up with water, 1 part of adhesive and 2 parts of water. Then obviously mix it up nicely until it's all even mixed, so we don't have just the adhesive itself. If you have a bigger container to do it in, you can actually dip your product without brushing it. Just dip it in and once it's like this, it will leave it to dry overnight. It should be drying clear and hopefully matte if you want to keep it matte. I think this one should work nicely. You can make a mixture out of other glues as well, but I think this suitable for the wood is the best, because I like when it dries like you made it. It looks more natural. You don't want to have it ended up too silky unless you want to. Then you can use PVA glue for that, but I think I prefer this one. Okay, so I sort of done it. There you go. Now you let it dry overnight, then you stick your cardboard on the bottom, put your glass in and star candle holder. It's done. Good luck, everybody, and hope I make some videos soon. Other products. Bye.